Hey everyone, continuing our foam rolling series. Today I'm going to be talking about how to release the anterior hip, your TFL. It's a small muscle towards the front of your hip, very easy to find as long as you put your foot forward and now point your toes toward the center. There will be a chunk or band of muscle kind of popping towards the front and side of the hip. You should be able to grab it and pinch it. This muscle inserts and works the IT band, which has problems of being tight on a lot of runners, a lot of recreational athletes, as well as professional athletes. So again, foam rolling this, helping release some of the tension at the front of the hip, will again help open up the hip, allow you guys to perform to the best of your abilities. So like I said, find the spot, putting the foot in front, turning it towards the middle, and then you should be able to feel it, kind of palpate, grab it at the front. You're going to be rolling this today. Okay, so putting the foam roller down here, you're going to be laying kind of on top of it and to the side, really digging into that front of the hip here. Okay. As in the previous videos, when we discussed on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being no discomfort, 10 being painful, we want to be at about a 6, so that it's discomfort enough that you know you need to spend time on it, but not too painful that it hurts and you're not getting the benefits of the tissue release. So finding those points of discomfort, holding for about 20 seconds, and then slowly moving towards another point along the front of your hip. And then letting yourself relax and sink in to the roller. You're not trying to fight it, you're just trying to allow the roller to dig in and relax. And then move. Perfect. Okay. Once you're on the right side, move on to your left hip. And that's foam rolling technique number 2 to help open up your hips.